Adverbs. Adverbs are words that tell us more about verbs. The baby slept soundly. Here the word soundly tells you how the baby slept. So it tells you more about the verb, slept. They arrived home safely. Here the word safely tells you how they arrived home. The word thus tells you more about the verb arrived. The students listened carefully to what teacher said. He behaved badly. You can see most adverbs end in ly. If a word which ends in y, you have to drop the y and add ly. Busy equals busily. Happy equals happily.